If your GoDaddy website is showing an internal server error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 of the most effective fixes step by step. This issue can look scary, but in many cases it's caused by a broken htaccess file, a plugin conflict, or a low PHP memory limit. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot it safely and get your site back online. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website and hosting fixes. Let's start with the first fix, and this is often the fastest one to try. You want to rename your htaccess file. To do that, log into your hosting account using FTP or open your file manager inside cPanel. Once you're inside the root directory of your WordPress site, look for the file called htaccess. This file controls important rewrite rules, and if it gets corrupted, it can trigger an internal server error. Rename it to htaccess_old so WordPress stops using it temporarily. After that, refresh your website and see if the error disappears. If the site loads again, then you've found the problem. In many cases, WordPress can generate a fresh htaccess file automatically later from your permalink settings. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your plugins. A bad plugin update or a plugin conflict can also cause a GoDaddy internal server error. If you cannot access your WordPress dashboard, the easiest way to disable all plugins at once is to go back into File Manager or FTP and find the wp-config folder. Inside that folder, locate the Plugins folder and rename it to plugins_old. This instantly deactivates every plugin on the site without needing the admin dashboard. Then reload your website and check the result. If the site starts working, the issue is likely one of your plugins. At that point, you can rename the folder back to plugins, then reactivate the plugins one by one inside WordPress until you find the one causing the error. Now, if neither of those fixes works, the third solution is to increase your PHP memory limit. Sometimes GoDaddy hosting sites run into internal server errors because WordPress does not have enough memory to process requests. To fix that, open your wp-config.php file from the root directory of your WordPress installation. Carefully add this line of code. Define wp memory limit equals 256 M. Make sure you place it in the correct spot, usually before the line that says, "That's all, stop editing." Save the file, then refresh your website and check if the error is gone. Increasing the memory limit gives WordPress more room to run, and in many cases that is enough to fix the issue. If your site still isn't working after these steps, the problem could be related to a server configuration issue, a corrupted core file, or a hosting side restriction inside GoDaddy. But for most users, one of these 3 fixes solves the internal server error quickly. So to recap, first rename the htaccess file, then disable plugins by renaming the plugins folder, and finally increase the PHP memory limit in wp-config.php. I hope this video helped you fix the GoDaddy internal server error without unnecessary stress. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more step-by-step WordPress and hosting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.